Today, I will show off a demo of the NemoClaw blueprint and how we use this inside of NVIDIA. We find that with many open source projects at NVIDIA, we need to balance the asks of the open source community with internal priorities driving our product forward. And to do that, we need to triage those needs into a singular roadmap. The example we will take a look at today is one that we have deployed internally at NVIDIA, and you can do the same. It is shown in our NemoClaw Community repository. I'll switch over to a quick view of the architecture diagram here. We want to create an agent deployed internally that can accomplish this. And in this case, we used a Hermes agent developed by Noose Research. For the agent to accomplish these tasks, it needs access to internal data. But we don't want an agent with that type of access to also be able to write to external sources. Additionally, API tokens used to access services like GitHub, Slack, and Outlook shouldn't be accessible to these agents. So, how can we maintain a balance between deploying a powerful agent to accomplish these tasks while establishing trust boundaries? We use NVIDIA OpenShell and defined policies that will allow us to access that internal data while preventing the agent from posting it externally. Within that repository, there is a full setup guide that will take you through cloning the repo to installing OpenShell, authenticating with tools like Outlook, and bringing up that agent in OpenShell. Now that we've done the setup and we've deployed the agent, we can interact with the agent by messaging it directly in Slack. You can ask it questions like, can you tell me a little bit about yourself or what kind of agent you are? And it says, well, I'm an AI assistant running inside of NVIDIA's OpenShell sandbox. It has access to skills, persistent memory. You can ask it, well, tell me about the skills, and it will tell you all of the skills that it has. These can be skills defined by Hermes, built in, or these can be custom skills. What kinds of custom skills did we provide to this particular agent? Well, you can ask it that, and it will tell you here are all the skills. And you can go and verify in the NemoClaw Community repo that these are actually the skills that we have provided the agent. Additionally, we can show the power of Hermes and its ability to self-evolve. For example, you might want to ask for an update of all of the issues for a product seen across various channels like GitHub, developer forums, and internal threads. To do this, I might start by asking for a daily update on the important issues for NemoClaw, and it provides me one. It gives me a title, some issues, say 5 of them, and some discussions along with a bottom line. Perhaps I like this format initially, but I want to change it a little bit. And so I asked, can you give me a TLDR at the very top, but too long, didn't read, so that if I didn't want to dig into all the issues, I can just read through that and get the gist of what's happening. And of course, the agent says, sure, happy to do that. I can give you a little bit of background before I give you more details, so that if you don't have time, you can go through and just read the very basics of it. If I don't want the bottom line, I can ask it, please don't give me the bottom line. But now that I'm happy with this particular format, if you say, hey, I'd like a reliable way of receiving this type of format if I ask you a similar question, it will go ahead and create a skill for you. You don't have to say, create a skill for me. It just knows to do that. Finally, once the agent learns this skill, it can be used across the communication channels, including Outlook. And we can see that here. Here I have emailed my agent and I've asked it for the latest daily digest for NemoClaw in the usual format. And it responds to me and it says, here's the digest with the format that I've learned over time, with the title, the TLDR, the top 5 issues, alongside some links that are important, and the discussions and no bottom line. This shows the usefulness of self-evolution within a Hermes agent, deployed securely via NVIDIA OpenShell and powered by our Nematron models. Feel free to take a look at it at the NemoClaw Community repository for for this example and more.